Welcome back to FashionGo Dropshipping. In this video, we'll guide you on how to process your order. Click the Orders menu on the left to access this page. Here you can view all orders or locate specific orders based on their status. Click on the Awaiting Payments tab to see all new orders. You can check out orders individually by clicking on the Pay Now button or select multiple orders to check out in bulk. If you set up the auto pay feature, the system will automatically place an order for you using your default card. Before you check out, you can review your orders in the order detail page. They are grouped by their fulfillment centers, and you can click on the chat button to ask any questions. Here you can also check to see if all the information is correct. If the customer requests to cancel an order, you can cancel it by clicking on the cancel button on the top. Once you're ready, you can click Pay Now to begin processing on the checkout page. On this page, you can review your payment methods, products, and agree to the displayed disclaimer before submitting the order. Once submitted, you can review it under the In Progress and Completed tab. The status of the order will change to Confirmed once the seller confirms the order, and then Completed after it has been shipped out. Orders cannot be edited or canceled after the status has been changed to Confirmed. The status may also show canceled if the vendor is unable to complete the order. It may also show partially canceled if only some of the items can be completed. Processing orders is just that easy. Now you can sit back and enjoy the seamless order processing platform. But if you'd like to learn more about other features on FashionGo Dropshipping, please check out the rest of the tutorial videos in this section.